channel and welcome to today's video. Now there are many different types of cleanser. You have cream cleanser, you have foam cleanser, you have oil cleanser, you also have bar cleanser, you have dry cleanser, you also have powdered cleanser. But at the end of the day, nothing feels quite as good as cleaning the face and removing grease and dirt from the face, regardless of what type of cleanser you use. Today I am going to share a quick and easy homemade facial cleanser. This is a powdered cleanser. So you can choose to add milk, you can choose to add water, you can choose to use coconut water, you can choose to use coffee. Just add a liquid to this cleanser and use it to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. Another amazing thing about this cleanser that I'm sharing is that you can take it with you wherever you go. So if you're looking for an homemade cleanser that have absorbing anti-aging properties and also that will clear the skin of hyperpigmentation once used on the regular, follow me to the kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you and I will also give you some tips on how best to use this cleanser on your skin. So to make our facial wash, I'm going to be using some green tea. You can choose to use a tea bag or you can use some loose leaves green tea. You can even choose to use some matcha powder for this recipe. So I'm going to take my tea bag and I'm going to be blending it to a powder. So I'm going to pour 1 tea bag. If you're using loose leaves, go ahead and use 2 teaspoons of the loose leaf. Pour this in the blender. And next we are going to be blending. Now green tea has anti-aging properties. It is an excellent source of antioxidant that help to relieve wrinkles and also help to fight with premature aging. Green tea is excellent for oily skin. It is great for unclogging clogged pores since it has absorbing properties. It also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is ideal to use on acne prone skin, and green tea also will help to lift, firm and tighten when mixed with other ingredients. So just blend your green tea to a powder. Now once this is done, we are going to pour our powdered green tea in a bowl. If you're using matcha powder, just use a teaspoon, and at this stage you're ready to add your second ingredient. Our second ingredient is an absorbing ingredient, and this is Fuller's Earth. And Fuller's Earth, it's a form of a clay. It contains minerals and vitamins and all the electrolytes that will help to fight premature aging. And not only that, it will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to tighten sagging skin. It is amazing for oily skin since it contains a high amount of absorbing properties. Therefore, it will seep into the pores. It's good for acne-prone skin, and it is also good to get rid of blackheads and whitehead on the skin. I am going to be using about a teaspoon of the Fuller's Earth since a little goes a long way. It's very absorbent, so you do not need a lot. We're adding this to the bowl with our green tea or matcha powder, and now we're going to mix the two together, completely dissolving the Fuller's Earth and the green tea into a powder. Now mix thoroughly. I do not suggest that you blend the Fuller's Earth with the green tea since it's already powdery. Now after mixing these two, I'm going to reach for my third ingredient, and this is milk powder. If you do not have powdered milk, you can use some fresh milk. However, this recipe that I'm making is a dry facial wash, so if you're going to be using the milk, you gotta use it just before you use the remedy. Now milk contains lactic acid, which is good for oily skin. It is also great for acne prone skin, and it is also amazing for skin that has large pores, blackheads and whitehead. It contains exfoliating properties that will gently exfoliate the dead skin cells from the skin. So I'm using a teaspoon of our milk powder
Pour this in, and now we are gonna blend all the 3 ingredients together, and we're gonna mix well. Once this is done, guys, this complete our 3 ingredient facial wash. Now, to use this facial wash, it's a pretty easy. All you need is a little touch, about a pinch. Put it in your hands, add a little water, you can add a little milk, you can add some coffee liquid, you can even choose to use some fresh aloe vera gel. Mix it in your hand just before you use, and use it to wash your face. You can also use this as a facial mask, which is going to help to tighten and firm the skin. You need 1 teaspoon of the mixture to 1 teaspoon of milk or water. Make a paste and apply it on your skin. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse with water. This facial wash / facial mask is great to use every day, and use it to wash your face, rinse off. Before you know it, guys, you're on your way to beautiful, younger, fresher, wrinkle-free skin, and also for tighter and firmer, less oily skin. Now, to store this, store it dry in your refrigerator. You can keep this in your refrigerator for about 6 months or so. When you're ready to use it, take it out and add your liquid.
So there you have it, a quick and easy powdered cleanser. This cleanser is good for most skin types. It is also a good cleanser that you can use as a facial mask. So go ahead and give it a go, use it up, and come back and leave a comment. Now remember, when you are using this facial cleanser, the trick is to exfoliate your skin with it. So add your liquid and exfoliate, and then you can choose to rinse off, or you can choose to leave it on your skin for 30